Hello everyone, my name is Karen. Welcome to another video here on my channel. And for today, we will be checking out some of the limited edition holiday sets from the brand called Pretty Secret PH. So this is actually the first time I'm checking out some of their products, and ito sila. So we have 3 holiday sets right here. We have the I Love You Liquid Eyeshadow Collection. We also have the Paint Me Pink Lip and Cheek Duo. And we also have the Luscious Velvet Lip Collection Velvet Liquid Lipsticks. And just like in my previous video, nagkaroon ako ng mini giveaway. So in this video, gagawin ko din siya. So if you want to join the giveaway and if you want to know my thoughts about these products, then please keep on watching. So if you check sa Instagram account ng Pretty Secret, madami actually silang mga ina-offer na holiday sets. But itong tatlo lang yung kinuha ko because I feel like in reality, ito lang din talaga yung mga magagamit ko on an everyday basis. So let's start with the I Love You Liquid Eyeshadow Collection. So when you look at the box, meron color representation or parang swatch yung mga shades ng liquid eyeshadows. And meron din siya sa likod. So you would expect na from the packaging na yun yung magiging colors ng liquid eyeshadows. But I honestly think hindi sila ganun ka-accurate. So let me show you the swatches. So the I Love You Liquid Eyeshadow Collection retails for only 149 pesos. Very, very affordable. You get 3 products with 3.5 ml each shade. So the first shade that we have is called Aurora. And from the swatch dun sa box or dun sa packaging, I expected it to be a bit on the pinky champagne color. Pero when I swatched it, it actually looks a bit bronzy. Tapos meron siyang mga chunks of glitter, which I don't mind. It's actually very pretty. And when you layer it on the eyelids, pigmented naman siya. A little goes a long way. So yung doe foot applicator, yung isang dip nyo lang, okay na siya for both eyelids. And you can just blend it with your fingertips, or if you wanna use a brush, pwede rin naman. Nagbe-blend naman siya ng maayos. And hindi siya natutuyo agad-agad, so you still have time to blend. So the next shade that we have is called Belle. Belle, from the packaging, I expected it to be the bronzy one. Pero in reality, it's more of a terracotta orangey color, which is also really, really nice. It looks pretty. It's also very pigmented. And although meron siyang shimmers, hindi siya as chunky as nung kay Aurora. Kumbaga, hindi ganun ka-intense yung shimmer niya. But still, it's a very pretty shade. It's also appropriate for everyday use if you're more into warm-toned eyeshadow colors. Last, we have Ariel. So, in the packaging, yung swatch niya parang orangey color. But in reality, it's more of a rusty red color. And I noticed among all of the 3 shades, si Ariel yung may pinaka-least amount of shimmer. So, si Aurora yung pinaka-intense yung shimmer. Si Belle, sakto lang. Si Ariel, almost wala. Meron, pero very, very light lang. But still, the color is very pigmented. Ayun lang, parang hindi lang siya as shimmery as nung dalawang shades kanina. What I also love about the packaging, aside from it looks cute kasi pink, they have this stopper right here. I don't know if you can see it, pero may stopper dito. So when you close it, nagsisnap siya. And dun yung makikita or dun yung malalaman na nakasarado na talaga yung mismong packaging. So I love that detail kasi minsan 'di ba may mga containers na minsan nagsispill yung product. So this one hindi naman siya nangyari. So I'm also gonna show you how I try to incorporate all of the eyeshadow colors into one eye makeup look. So ginawa kong base color si Ariel, and then I tried putting Belle on the center of the eyelids, kaya lang parang hindi siya masyadong umangat. So, I decided to just put a powder eyeshadow on top na medyo pearl finish. So, yung shade na nilagay ko on the center of the eyelids is one of the shades from the Keren Play to Slay palette. I also used Belle sa lower lash line. And then, to highlight the inner corners, ginamit ko si Aurora. So, some of you may feel a bit intimidated kasi diba, sobrang pigmented nitong mga liquid eyeshadows. But just to show you an example, right now, I'm only wearing Aurora on the center of my eyelids na parang eyeshadow topper lang siya. And then, I just blended a bit of a warm brown eyeshadow all over. And then, just brown eyeliner. And that's it. So, kahit on an everyday eye makeup look, wearable pa rin naman siya. It's just that you just need to adjust the amount of the liquid eyeshadow na biniblend niya sa eyelids ninyo. The next holiday set that we're gonna talk about is the Paint Me Pink Lip and Cheek Duo. So, in this set, merong 2 products. And this retails for only 99 pesos. Oh my god, sobrang affordable, diba? So, in this holiday set, we have a blusher or a powder blush with 3 grams. So this is called the Paint Me Pink blush in the shade Rosy Baby. So this one is a bit tricky to open. Like, the first time I tried to open this, parang sobrang nahirapan ako. But eventually, nabuksan ko naman siya. I just feel like the packaging is very flimsy. It's like the typical plastic packaging, which is understandable kasi nga sobrang affordable niya, diba, ng pricing. But the blush itself, it's a very fairly pigmented powder blush. Hindi siya like super wow, sobrang ganda. It's fine, but the color is still very wearable on an everyday basis, and I actually like it kasi ito yung mga shades of blush na normally sinusuot ko din talaga. The challenge, however, is kasi maliit yung pan niya, kailangan nyo din gumamit ng medyo maliit na brush. And then we have the matte lip paint in the shade Sassy Pink. So this one is a matte liquid lipstick. It's not too matte, to be very honest, when you first apply it, pero nagmamattify naman siya once na nag-dry. It's also not like a super full-on color or hindi siya ganun ka full coverage na liquid lipstick. You have to build it in order to get the desired color that you want. The packaging is the same as nung liquid eyeshadow kanina. Nalalock siya. So, sure ka talaga na hindi mo tatapon yung product sa loob. When it comes to the formula ng mismong liquid lipstick, it's nothing too special for me. It's just that, ayun nga, very understandable siya na kasi nga sobrang affordable niya. So, I'm not really expecting na something mind-blowing or life-changing. But again, it's a good liquid lipstick. Overall, the color is nice. The formula is fine. But, ayun lang, siguro yung color, it's not something that I would wear on an everyday basis. But again, it's a good product. So, yung huling holiday set na i-discuss ko is called the Luscious Velvet Lip Collection. So this is a velvet liquid lipstick. So it's a different formula compared to the one that I tried earlier. So this one also contains 3 shades. So this retails for 149 pesos kagaya ng liquid eyeshadows. Again, very, very affordable. And this one, nung una ko siyang nakita, I actually got excited kasi I've never tried like a velvety liquid lipstick kind of formula. And I got really excited kasi I feel like the shades are also cute. But when I tried it for myself, I had a different reaction. So I'm gonna show you the swatches once again. So the first shade that we have is called Blushing Peach. So this is definitely a really good everyday kind of peachy color. Again, the formula is like a mousse type. So when I tried it on my lips, the color is really nice. It's my kind of shade. I like it. However, the formula is not for me. So since mousse type siya, it's something that's not okay for my chapped and dry lips. Nakikling siya dun sa mga dry patches and dun sa mga lines. Another thing that I don't like about this product is hindi siya ganon ka full coverage, like full on color. Hindi siya ganon ka pigmented. Although it's easy to apply naman, again, hindi lang talaga siya nagle-layer nicely because of my dry lips. I feel like for those people na wala masyadong problems with their lips, hindi dry, hindi chappy, and alam mo yun, walang masyadong kailangang i-correct na color, I feel like this is gonna be good. But again, for my lips, hindi siya ganon masyadong naging effective or hindi siya masyado talagang nag-layer ng maayos. But still, I tried out the other colors. The second one that we have is called Spicy Red. I was expecting it to be a very bright red, pero hindi naman. It's a wearable kind of red. The color is really nice, but again, the formula is not for me, unfortunately. So, ayan, nahirapan talaga akong i-layer siya on my lips. The last shade is called Pinkish Nude, which is totally not what I expected. If you look at the actual packaging, it looks pinkish nude, pero once you swatch it, para siyang bright coral or something like that. Malayo siya dun sa in-expect kong pinkish nude na color. So, ayun lang. Nung sinuot ko siya, sobrang putla niya sa lips, so hindi ko na tinuloy. It's not a shade na medyo babagay for morena skin like me. So, ayun. Unfortunately, hindi ko masyadong na-enjoy yung experience ko with the Velvet Liquid Lipstick. However, I figured na in order to have like a workaround or para hindi naman masayang yung purchase ko, what I did is I mixed the Blushing Peach Velvet Liquid Lipstick and hinaluan ko siya ng another lipstick on top. So, I put the Spotlight Cosmetics Superstar Lip Crayon in the shade Retro Chick. So, this is also what I'm wearing right now on my lips. Si Velvet Liquid Lipstick kasi syempre matte finish siya. Itong si Spotlight, may pagka-satin finish. Tapos mas creamy kasi yung formula niya. So, parang once na nag-blend in siya together, ayan, okay naman siya. So, ang workaround ko dun sa Velvet Liquid Lipstick, I cannot wear it alone. So, kailangan ko siyang haluan ng iba pang lipstick. So, that's it for all the swatches, product info, and my review and honest thoughts. So, now I'm gonna give you the final or the overall verdict about all of the products that we tried from Pretty Secret. Number one, I have to say the price point is very, very affordable. Wala na rin akong masabi kasi, diba, sobrang affordable, 99 pesos, 149. Kahit yung mga iba nilang holiday sets na hindi ko binili, very, very affordable. Perfect pang gift. So, kumbaga, although hindi ko masyadong na-enjoy yung Velvet Liquid Lipstick, I don't feel bad kasi nga, very affordable yung mga prices. However, we have to take note na according sa posts ni Pretty Secret, these are limited edition. So, most likely, kapag na out of stock na siya, hindi na sila magre-restock. And another one is that since these are sold in sets, so for example, si I Love You Liquid Eyeshadow, if naubos ko yung isang shade, and if I wanna repurchase again, redundant. If I wanna repurchase, I have to buy the entire set again. So, ayun lang. Kumbaga, hindi ko siya mabibili individually. And the overall quality for me is fine kasi nga very affordable, so I cannot really expect something spectacular. Pero again, not bad na rin, diba? For just a very affordable price point, pero makakagawa ka pa rin ng talagang bonggang makeup looks, especially for the upcoming holidays. So if I'm gonna pick my most favorite holiday set among the three, it's probably gonna be the I Love You Liquid Eyeshadow Collection kasi sobrang nagustuhan ko yung pigmentation niya and yung shade selection, it's something that I would be able to use on any kinds of look. And naging least favorite ko si Luscious Velvet Liquid Lipstick Collection kasi nga because of the moussey texture niya na hindi nag-work for my very very dry lips. So yeah, ayun lang naman, that's it for this entire review video try on eme. So now the moment that you've been waiting for, the mini giveaway. Okay, so if you watched the entire video, hindi kayo nag-skip, then by now you already know the mechanics of the giveaway. So hindi ko pa alam kung kailan ko i-upload tong video na to, but the duration of the giveaway, ipa-flash ko na lang siya dito. So ayan, you can join the giveaway on this duration. Ayan. And yung winner, i-announce siya on this date on my Instagram stories as usual. So the winner will be getting one set of the liquid eyeshadow collection and the Paint Me Pink lip and cheek duo. So itong dalawang holiday sets will be given to one winner. Just a quick reminder about repeating comments based on my previous giveaway kasi yung mga paulit-ulit na nasisend na comments, natatag siya ni YouTube as spam. So, hindi siya agad lumalabas sa comment section nung video. So, please make sure na isa lang yung nasisend din yung comment kasi ayun, natatag siya as spam. So, minsan hindi ko talaga siya nakikita. So, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching, and since it's already the month of December, the month of giving, expect na on my next upload meron ulit akong mini giveaway. So stay subscribed to my channel if you want to join my giveaways for the holidays. And yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.